Well, your boy got caught doing something he was not supposed to do once again. Obviously, I've gotten way too comfortable riding around this area considering I've never seen any cops riding around here. However, as you guys know me, I pull over no matter what happens.
Howdy.
So I hope you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy my stupidity once again. And yes, as a reminder, again, I'm an idiot.
Hey, there's no stop. Just a couple of moving. Remember that fast-cutting boss? But too, you can't see your license plate. You don't go fast.
Okay.
Okay. You know what speed limit is through here?
I do not, sir.
Okay. Well, I tell you, it's not 100.
Okay.
Tell you the reason why you're going so fast?
No.
So is this the first time you've been in Carlsbad?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
You don't ever drive down Algo Road?
No.
Okay.
I don't know what that is, sir.
I see your driver's license, insurance, and proof of registration for your motorcycle, please.
Yeah.
How long you been in California?
I only for a couple of days there.
A couple days?
Yeah.
You just moved here?
No, I didn't move here. I was visiting.
Well, visiting?
Yes, sir.
How long are you visiting for?
Only for about another week or so.
So you paid someone to ship this out from Ohio?
No, they were just some buddies helping me load it up in my stuff.
Oh, okay. So you hauled it out here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is this bike registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Is it insured?
Yes, sir.
I need to see proof of all that.
Sure. Do you want insurance or registration?
I need both. You don't have paper copy?
So there's no like backseat or any way, like this is won't fit on. There's no way to like fit registration on here.
I didn't ask for an explanation. You don't have a paper copy?
No, sir, not on it.
Okay. So why don't you pull up your insurance first?
Gotcha.
What do you have under there? Is that the plate?
Yes. It's the best amount. It's this.
Yeah. So why? You didn't even try to fix it.
I did.
You know why people do this, right?
Yeah.
You know why people do this, right?
I know how bad it looks. Obviously.
Well, it's not how bad it looks. Just what it is. How many bikes do you have?
I have a couple.
The Kawasaki. Hey, do you have a baffle for your muffler?
No. So where I'm from, they don't have like motorcycle exhaust on it.
Huh?
Where I'm from, but Ohio doesn't have motorcycle exhaust on it.
You're in California. You gotta follow the laws out here. I heard you coming from a mile away. By the time I saw you, you passed right in front of me on Alga. You didn't even see me.
No, I didn't.
I've been chasing you down ever since then. That's how fast you were going.
Really?
Yep.
I promise I was not. If I saw you behind me.
Well, I know you probably didn't see me behind you.
No, I would have stopped immediately.
But I didn't try to stop you until I got close enough to you. But you were going over 100 once you turned right onto this road. Because I was doing well over 100 just to catch you. You want to go rush to get somewhere?
No, so
You want to drive like that? Go back to Ohio, okay?
I don't think I should drive like that either.
Huh?
I don't think they'd appreciate me riding like that. I apologize.
Yeah, so
sir.
don't bring your nonsense here.
That's it.
Unless you want to get yourself hurt, because that's what's going to happen, or you're going to take your bike from you. And then you got to pay a lot of money and you get it back. Okay, wait, what year is this?
The 2020.
2020?
Yes, sir.
And you said it was a Daytona?
Yes, sir.
First time ever? Yeah. You went there on Friday or any other day?
No.
Okay, well, there's a bike that looks just like you, with a backpack, sounds the same. I'm not saying it's you, but there's another one to do out here. So I'm looking for it, okay? So this is your first time? Well, now you know. Slow down, get exhaust, and don't drive like a maniac.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Well,
Plain and simple, right?
Also,
Well, you
next
gotta
time you
fix
see
it.
me, this will be fixed.
You gotta get that, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
People put those plates on that so they can get away with doing stuff that's
No, yeah,
illegal.
that's not me, so I promise.
But I'm just telling you why people do it.
Yeah.
If that's not you, then you don't want that perception, then get it fixed. Okay, so here's your ticket, okay? Traffic court is the top right corner. It's up in Vista. Address and phone number. You have until March 20th to take care of this fix-it ticket for equipment. I'm not writing you for your speed.
Thank you.
Okay, if I was, I'd be taking your bike. Okay? It's for your license plate not properly mounted and for having a loud exhaust. Okay? You get those suckers fixed, and any officer in the state of California can sign it off. They're going to sign it off on the back right here. They'll know what to do. Okay? Once you get that signed off, then you need to show proof that it was corrected on or before the court date to the courts on or before the court date. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You should get a courtesy notice to your address out in Ohio. If you don't, give them a call, or you can phone them and say, I got this ticket, what do I need to do to take care of it? Okay, if you want to take care of it before you leave town, there's nothing keeping you from just going over there and calling them before you get it in the mail, because it's going to probably get lost in the mail by the time you leave. I don't know when you're leaving, but make sense?
Gotcha.
Okay, do you have any other questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Can we get that whole thing from you?
If you want, I can step off real quick. So I don't want this to fall off. I appreciate you not riding me for the speed. It's very nice of you.
Well, I appreciate you being courteous and cooperative.
I know how it looks. I'm not someone who runs like that. That's why I'm like, I know guys do that. I'm not stupid. Like they have those like Velcro plates and remove them when they want to.
Well, here's the problem though. It's like skaters, right? It's got a negative connotation. It's a few bad apples running for all the good guys that's trying to have fun. It's a few bad apples on these bikes that's ruining it for guys like you that are just doing the right thing. Except for you're part of the problem because you're doing the same thing.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
So I don't 100% buy what you tell me, but I hear what you're saying. I just need a digital signature. You're not admitting guilt, just acknowledging that you got pulled over, and you got a ticket. You probably take care of it on court day. Okay. Any questions?
Okay.
Hey, right side.
Thanks, sir.
Don't forget your girl down on.
Am I good to go?
Yeah, you're good.
Thank you.
Okay.
You too.
My God, man, that was one of the scariest, well, still probably the second scariest stop of my life. I think what really like made it bad is the fact that it's in a state I don't live in. What do I do if I get my bike I guess I have my truck here. It wouldn't be the end of the world. Imagine if I got, so California just introduced these new speeding laws, these new like super speedy laws, and they just took effect. So I know that they're trying to enforce them right now. My God, this was so stupid. So from my understanding, California now has these laws that they basically, if you're going over 100, they can just take your license. They like send it to a board, and the board decides that they just want to immediately take your license. Now this cop didn't use that as a reason. He didn't bring that up at all. So it was probably a bigger hassle to him. It's probably like a lot more paperwork for him. That's my only guess of why he didn't want to give a motorcycle a 100-mile-an-hour ticket. Oh my God, dude. The adrenaline is still flowing through my vein. I wish I had a heart rate monitor hooked up to me right now. My biggest fear was to just have, first of all, go to jail. I don't know if that's a thing in California if you go to jail for speeding, but considering how long he was following me, I'm sure there was something in there that I probably could have gone to jail for. Going to jail, because in Ohio, it's really hard to go to jail for speeding. Out in California, again, I don't know the laws here that well, so it's a little bit harder to, my number one concern was to reassure him that I wasn't running, I wasn't trying to run, because he's looking at my plate and be like, guys, do that because I want to run. I'm like, clearly I'm not running. Clearly I'm stopping for you. Please don't arrest me. I'll take a speeding ticket. I don't care about a speeding ticket. I just don't want to get arrested. Don't want to get arrested. I was really hoping if I got pulled over, that would be the primary reason as to why I'm getting pulled over is for that plate. That sucks. It's fixable. It sucks. That's something I can definitely fix while I'm here. What I can't do while I'm here is fix the exhaust. When it comes to exhaust laws, I don't know how tickets work in California at all. I was given a fix-it ticket, and now I have to figure out how to fix the exhaust. The reason for the stop was literally loud exhaust. I bought this bike in the state of Ohio used. The bike came with that exhaust installed already. In California, I don't think you can sell a bike with a modified exhaust. Could be wrong about that. And so whenever you see a modified exhaust, it's like, oh, that person modified it themselves. I didn't modify this exhaust. This was not me. In the state of Ohio, I bought this bike because there's no testing for motorcycles in Ohio. I bought this exhaust. It came like that. I don't have the stock exhaust. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. So this is a problem. This is a problem. And I'm somewhat grateful because he could have given me a fat ticket for 100 mile an hour and all the other crap I was doing. But he didn't. He gave me the loud exhaust one. And so how this is going to work, I don't know. This is going to get complicated. Dude, this dude's literally revving his car while I'm trying to describe that I got a fat ticket for exhaust law. Are we serious right now? Rubbing it in. The California trip may be cut short a little bit here. I don't know, like, because I can't just run from court. I have a court date now where I have to somehow prove that this bike is going to be reverted back to stock when I don't have the stock parts. I don't have the stock exhaust. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. How do I unmodify a bike I didn't modify? Kind of wish I explained that, but I wasn't really in the mood to explain it to a cop that was angry for me for going over 100 miles an hour. This was the worst case scenario. I'm gonna go for a ride, try to clear my nerves like I originally planned to do, and hopefully I can come up with a situated plan sometime in the future. I just want to calm down for a little bit, enjoy my afternoon, maybe go get a burrito later from California. He told me to take it back to Ohio. I'm like, bro, they would not appreciate me going over 100 in Ohio either. The roads out in Ohio would not allow me to do over 100 on a side road, let alone in California where it's like, I don't know. I'm not going to defend it, bro. It's stupid. I'm just glad he let me go. You see, when you talk to an officer and you're nice, cooperative, you stop. Sometimes you get let go with a pretty nice fat warning and an exhaust ticket that you don't know how to solve. This is going to be a problem. All right. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.